happy na rin. Dapat di nagpapasaway kay teacher para si teacher happy din. Happy kayo, happy si teacher. So this afternoon, pinisita ko ulit kayo. We'll be giving you school supplies. So God ang ato nahiaraan na. Naging, it's my third year. And pagpinanhatag in school supplies. Supposedly, kaupod natin ni Ma'am Arlene. Nakilala ka mo ka Ma'am Arlene? Pero, may nagihapon niya importante din atindiran. So, diri na. Kanan aga, kaupod ko hiya. So, yan na. Ako na nag-solo. Kita niya. Ano it iyo gusto maabot, pag-abot hit? Pangarap ni. Ano iyo gusto? Maging? Police? Ikaw, Bill, ano yung gusto? Maging teacher. Gusto niyo gihapon maging mom. Ikaw, Be, ano niyo mo gusto? Teacher gihapon. Bombero. Fireman. Okay. Ikaw, Be? Police. Okay. Ikaw? Police. Ikaw? Sundalo. Ikaw? Sundalo. Ba? Magkaurugan din heyo, police, sundalo. Para na mabuti. So ano yung mga dapat niyong gawin? Ha? Ano yung mga dapat niyong gawin at di dapat gawin bilang mga estudyante? Ha? Usa-usa na. Ha? Ayan, bawal maging pasaway kay teacher. Dire mag-cheat. Dire magtinundugay. Oh, that's a form of cheating. So as early as your age, dapat mga kinubya, dapat kayo ay porsigido sa inyong pag-aaral. Porsigido kayong matuto. Kanina tinanong ko kayo kung bakit mas masaya kayong nasa school. Yung sagot nyo lang sa akin, dahil makikasama nyo na ulit yung mga kaibigan at kaklase nyo. Dapat, yung gusto kong marinig, galing sa inyo na masaya kayong
wala si Harvin raw kay may kuan man si release. Dili to yung chicken pox.
Balik daw yun yung friend.
Ha?
Extra. Okay. Okay. Sa lahat ng naka-receive, nakadawat, iisa ang inyong gindawat. Iisa sa ibabaw, ialsa. Okay, wow, ang ganda tingnan, Mayor! Iba't iba ang kulay. Wow! Wow, ang ganda. Grabe, Mayor. Thank you so much, Mayor. Grabe. For 3 years na din ako naka-experience na nakita na ko. Grabe ang heart nimo sa mga kabataan, Mayor. Thank you so much, Mayor, ha? Okay. Sige, i-down muna. I-down. Okay. So at this point, our school give thanks as in recognition of the outstanding efforts of and unwavering support of our mayor. Okay. We'll give a certificate of recognition. Okay, allow me to read the citation first. Certificate of appreciation is awarded to Alexander Salvador De Paz, local chief executive, in recognition of his outstanding efforts and unwavering support of the programs and projects of the Department of Education through his generous act of sharing his blessings by provision of learning kits, and has significantly contributed to fostering a bright future and promoting continuous learning among our learners. His steadfast dedication to educational advancement and sincere commitment to public service. Makinig. Hello? Makinig muna. For the holistic development of our children are deeply appreciated and truly commendable. Signed by, given this day, June 25, 2025 at Mabini Elementary School, Mayorga District, Mayorga Leyte. Signed by our own school head of Mabini Elementary School, Mauro C. Lagardo Jr. Palakpakan nato si Mayor. Okay. Mayor, thank you good so much. Hats off good kaayo ni Mayor sa imuha.
Ihatag ni sir. Parang nanik.
Masaya lang sila. Hindi nila yung kasiyahan nila, Mayor. Pasensya ka na, Mayor, pero yung ingay nila, kasiyahan ng Mayor. Okay? Everybody say, damo nga salamat, Mayor. Ready, go! Grabe ang energy, Mayor, ah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile.